It is very interesting.
Beautiful. Very nice.
I start work in morning.
Oh no. In morning, only in the morning will come. In morning, no. This kind of words you have to be very careful. Very careful. Take your
I
time. Take
start
your
work
time.
in the morning.
No. Only one word has to come. You can't put two words. Think through. You will get it.
I start work from morning.
No. From morning until no, you can't have that. In fact, there are two answers for this.
Okay.
Both answers are okay. But only
I
single word.
I start work in morning.
No, in the morning only will come. So two words will not come here.
I start work.
You finish off everything and come back, okay? If you finish off everything else, you can come back. You'll be surprised to see the answer, isn't it? Can you do the reminder? Can you do the reminder? We'll come back. We'll come back.
Okay, sir. Okay. So I start work dash at 7:30. So I have to get up very
Superb. I
early.
have to get up or I
Very
need to get up. Both of them are okay. Have or need. You
uh,
can go either
I
way.
love this job because I meet people from uh, others of different countries.
No. Couple of answers are possible here. You have to choose one of those.
People from
When more choices are there, you are not able to find it, is it? Yeah. Lot of different countries.
a lot of different countries.
Also, yeah, variety of different countries.
Varieties. Okay, sir.
Also, a number of different countries. You can go with variety, lot, number. Good. But I know your 44 is still a hard one. Keep going.
Because I meet people from a number of different countries, I like telling them about our city.
Super.
Here is my photo of me.
Oh no, it cannot be my photo of me. You cannot do it, right?
Here is some photo of me.
No, some means photos will come. Photo, it's only photo is coming. You are there, you are very near to the answer.
Here is a photo of me.
Yeah, here is a photo of me. Here is a photo of me. Very good. Yeah.
I am got my new uniform.
No, I am God. How will it come? There is no sentence structure. Out of 20, I am God is not coming or anything. I am. There are a couple of answers for this.
I am dash my.
So what you need to do is little bit struggle is there. Once you go back home, I'll get you the screenshot of these. You can actually write the script. You can read it out.
Okay, sir.
Okay. I am in my new uniform. In.
Okay, I am in my new uniform.
Also, there is one interesting word.
Okay.
I am wearing my new uniform. You can either put a in or you can put a wearing. Do you agree?
Okay, sir.
Very nice. So,
Do you like it?
do you like it? Very nice. Do you like it? Now get back to 44. Can you do it?
I start work.
There are a couple of answers. Both answers will start with the E. E as an eagle. Every morning. Each morning. Every morning. Write it down.
Every morning.
Write
I
it down.
start work every morning.
Yeah, at half. I start work every morning or each morning. Even each morning is also fine.
Okay.
See, simple words sometimes it's really challenging us, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
All right.
Some
What I
in
would
two
suggest
more
is
places
once,
I got stuck this.
Yeah. What I would suggest is you read once or twice, get the core of the message, then try to see the word prior to the dash or next to the dash or both. Yeah, the morning alone you have to focus.
Okay.
Every morning, each morning, somewhere you will find it. If you focus on it, number two or over, like two things are over right now. The third one, I'm going to give you very little help, but you have to be on your own to really get it.
Okay.
Even if you want to take 5 additional minutes, that's okay.
Okay. Students who like to come and
Focus on those areas. Just prior to the dash, after the dash. Focus on those.
Okay. Okay, sir.
You find it easy, right?
A little bit.
Again, try to see that.
In 44, there is one doubt, sir, that
Don't worry, you try your own, and we are going to run through because you are going to read it out.
okay, sir. So shall I write?
Of course.
Okay, sir.